Truncated week, but we managed to finish the week up about almost 1.5%. The rupee, though, depreciated by almost 10 basis points to that 64.1 mark on the US dollar. The last day of trading was dominated by Infosys, sectors that outperformed basic materials, utilities, oil and gas, while sectors that underperformed included the likes of telecoms, technology and financials. Come next week, what's the picture like? Next week, the markets would be reacting to Infosys announcements over the weekend around the buyback, even as the markets do digest the CEO's resignation. And in addition, of course, the progress of monsoons will be closely monitored, given the slowdown in the past few weeks. Festive season as well kicks in with Ganesh Chaturthi just tomorrow. So that's also going to be adding some amount of fervor around the consumption trends, as we have seen in the week gone by that you've had a nice smart move coming in on the retailers, for instance. But over the week, it's been a pretty, sideways session. The Nifty has barely managed any gain. We've closed in absolutely flat optically. We've managed a close around that 98.50 odd mark. Similar has been the case with the Sensex as well. The Nifty futures, the Bank Nifty futures that is, they've made a gain of about almost 1%. Oil and gas has held out. Metals as a pack have been gainers. You've also had healthcare, which was really the stunner, and especially the big move coming in on Friday when any and every pharmaceutical stock was actually holding out. The broader markets, and even there, the move was rather petered down, with the small cap index barely closing in flat, just marginally higher, and that was the case with the small cap index as well. Sectorally, power, consumer durables, autos, IT, FMCG, these were all laggards. But yes, within the Nifty, the high flyers were Lupin, Dr. Reddy's, or Pharma. Amongst the three of them, they've managed gains of anywhere between about 4% on the lower end to about almost 6% for a Lupin. Axis Bank, Innocent Bank, they both as well held out pretty smartly. The losers then, Bajaj Auto, that was down about 3%. BOB underperformed, about a 3% correction coming in there as well. NTPC, Hero MotoCorp, Eicher, autos, you'd have to say they were the ones which actually ebbed off.